हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम जाएंगे वार्नर ब्रोस वर्ल्ड अबू धाबी। ये आपका यस आइलैंड अबू धाबी पे है, जो फरारी वर्ल्ड का पास पे ही है। ये पार्क आपका वार्नर ब्रोस का सारा फ्रेंचाइजीज रखते, जैसे लूनी टून, डीसी कॉमिक्स इत्यादि। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, ये आपका वर्ल्ड्स थर्ड वार्नर ब्रोस थीम पार्क है। सो ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करके लेट्स स्टार्ट इट।
सो टिकट का कॉस्ट आपका 325 दिरहम गिरा है। सो अगेन इट इज़ गुड क्वाइट 1 by 1 गेट ऑफर बिकॉज ऑफ ADCB कार्ड। सो थैंक्स टू ADCB फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड या ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स वी कैन सी इट हियर कम्प्लीटली। फ्लैश से स्टार्ट करके फिर आपका बैटमैन एंड वंडर वुमन एंड सुपरमैन, ईच एंड एवरी फ्रेंचाइजी आपका है DC यूनिवर्स का। और दिस इज बनी, so that's our favorite character, right bro? You and mine, huh? Yeah, Bunny.
Bunny have a mask.
Mask also. Bunny is having mask. I also have mask, bro. Can you see? Oh, but not mask. Yeah, quite good. So there are lots of funs. Let's go inside. So जैसे कि हम, yeah, there are so many things, huh? Beautiful view. Oh. Artificial sky.
Not artificial sky.
I don't know what is that, but it is beautiful. जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। सब कुछ बहुत ही मस्त है।
Here, dresses and toys is there.
प्राइसेस आर देयर, अरे बाप रे ब्रो, दिस इज रियली कलरफुल, huh?
Yeah,
I think you should bring your family, your son here.
yeah. He is
He will become
after he see na,
Wow.
he buying all the things.
Yes.
And my bank loan the one thing.
छोटा टाइम में इसका कार्टून में कितना देखता था। He was one of my favorite character. But to be frank, I'm not that much attached with DC. I'm Marvel fan. कार्तिक ब्रो,
But I am DC fan.
you're DC fan, huh?
सो दोपहर को ब्रो ने कुछ नहीं खाए थे, सो ब्रो का साथ साथ हम भी चले। सोचा कुछ पेट पूजा कर लेते।
जैसे हम लोग, yeah, yes, bro.
It's awesome, bro. Awesome.
So जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, मैंने वो ऑर्डर किया। I was quite confused, bro,
Yeah.
but it seems like, oh, so Karthik bro,
Yeah.
what's your feedback on this?
Yeah. Really good one.
Good one, huh?
I
So-
cannot. This is a taste. How I can tell the words?
Yeah,
Taste is taste.
yes.
Wow.
All folks are there interested to listen you because you are important celebrity for them, right?
No. You are the rich person in the world.
Good. Again. Okay.
You are a theme holder like
yeah,
that.
yes. We are just seeing dream, huh? In daylight.
Really delicious, bro.
Yeah, delicious, right? Yeah, देख सकते हैं कि कार्तिक ब्रो ने सब खा लिया।
Thank you for treat. This treat.
Welcome, bro. We'll then go.
Please take it.
Yeah. Yes, bro. Please.
Here bunny is there, bro.
Yes.
We are in here,
Okay.
and we come to now we here.
Mm-hmm.
This place.
This
Normal
place.
road.
Okay.
So, oh, it's some So we are here.
तो इधर पे हम निकले एक एडवेंचर की खोज में.
This is 6th,
6,
7th
7,
and 8th.
that's
We
8.
already finished 1, 2, 3, 5.
1, 2, 3, 5. Huh? Okay. Okay. Let's go. तो हम जा रहे हैं गौतम सिटी. हाँ.
Gotham City. Batman.
Batman. Definitely. That's the Wonder Woman, actually, right? Bro, our dream girl, Wonder Woman.
We'll take the photo, bro.
We'll take the photo, bro. So let's go to Wonder Woman. Hi, Wonder Woman.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
So we are from India. Going to say hi to you.
Of course. You guys came all the way to Metropolis just for me?
Yeah.
Aw, thanks to you.
Yeah. Bro, come in. Come in the frame.
Yeah,
You're getting, huh?
yeah, I'm excited.
Excited, huh? You want to say something to Wonder Woman?
Yeah, no, thanks.
You don't want to say, huh? She's strong. We really appreciate you.
Exactly. Very strong, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like the best superhero, no?
Yeah, of course.
Exactly.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye.
I'm sorry, I thought you guys were together.
Yeah.
All right, sir, could you put your hands on your hips like this? Nice.
That's the fastest. What's your speed, by the way?
Well, they actually can't measure how fast they can run. They don't have the equipment. They're too fast. That's nice.
Yeah.
All right, can you cross your arms?
जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं कार्तिक भैया
Yeah, you
completely.
got it. Nice work.
And you want to give any message to whole world?
To who?
Whole world. You want
To
to
the
give some
whole
message?
world? Oh, you know, I just gotta say, be nice to everyone, okay? Treat everyone fairly.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank
guys,
you
I'll see you
for the
later.
message.
Okay, bye.
बाय. तो जैसे आप देख पा रहे हैं इधर पे सुपरमैन, हम सुपरमैन भैया जी से सुपरमैन भैया सी बीइंग वियर्ड सर्जिकल पैन गो फाइनली we learned it. Yeah, great. We asked the question, bro. No. You feel bad.
Something missing in your costume.
Yes. Okay. How are you? Yeah, it's good. What about you?
Very well. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
So it's all good.
Of course.
That's great.
It's good, right?
You wanna give some message to whole world? You wanna give some message to whole world? Something?
Message.
Positive message?
Everybody can be a hero. You just gotta look after each other, right?
Yeah! That's the thing, bro.
I'll see you guys later. Okay?
Yeah. You wanna have?
Oh,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
How are you? How you doing today?
Yo, bro. Give us some pose.
Yeah.
Great.
Superman boss.
Thank you.
Fantastic, guys. It was great to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay.
तो जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो इधर पे सबका नेचर्स के बारे में दिया हुआ है, सबको ही पता है दुनिया में. सो ब्रो वी आर रेडी फॉर राइड इट. यस, तो जैसे आप देख पा रहे हो हम लोगों को 3D ग्लासेस मिला है एंड वी आर रेडी. बोल सकते हैं कि एक्सपीरियंस क्वाइट गुड इधर पे, क्योंकि अंदर पे बहुत 3D एनिमेशन, बहुत सारा मतलब एवरीथिंग इज 3D मूवीज बहुत अच्छा, मतलब इफेक्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है, सिमुलेशन बहुत ही अच्छा है.
But child is not crazy.
Child means yeah, it's really crazy, but it's awesome. You should once come and feel the things. It's awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Observatory. चलिए जाते हैं. Bro, what is there? Heroes of the Cosmos. Ooh.
Yes, bro. Heroes of Cosmos. Green Lantern.
Let's see what is there.
Oh, again new.
जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो, इधर पे भी लंबा चौड़ा लाइन. तो फाइनली 1 आवर वेट करने के बाद हमें चांस मिला है अंदर जाने का. लेट्स सी क्या होता है अंदर पे. वी आर रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. या यस ब्रो, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग?
I am in another universe. I am in another universe.
You are in another universe.
Run of universe.
Yeah. Oh yes.
What you research, bro?
Now I am showing the universe to our viewers. That Karthik bro and universe. It was awesome, right?
Yeah.
Completely, you are in the three dimension and just you were just sleeping.
Yeah.
It was completely a movie animation theme. So it was quite good. Quite good means it is awesome. 3D completely. You will just get jerking effects and everything. It's awesome. Karthik bro, what's your feeling?
Yeah, it's good, right?
It's good, right? Completely, it's awesome. Means yeah, I was we were waiting around 1 hour, but it's worth it, right?
World coolest man. WNODT2. Professor, right?
We are going inside one house.
Bro, this is a
Bro, you're going to hit. This side. I am completely, जैसे कि गाइस आप देख पा रहे हैं, हम लोग completely stuck हो गए इमेज में. And yes, that's it. Actually, इधर में illusion completely. Oh my God. It just came out. Karthik bro, how is that feeling? तो जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, हम लोग एकदम बाहर आए, लैंड अप हुए, और अभी हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि इधर में जाने का. गट्स नहीं हो रहा है ब्रो, गट्स नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग गट्स, बट आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट. Yeah, I'm pretty much confident, but previous time really, I don't know, little bit scared.
okay. Don't worry.
I don't know,
Bro,
bro. My hands are shivering completely, starting on it.
Your Superman said like this only. All are strong only.
Strong only, but
Hmm.
this is horrible, bro. Completely. But let's see. It's really good, awesome. Means you feel like there is zero gravity almost. Okay, you will be almost flipping. Roller coaster type of feeling only, but it's good. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Completely means one of the best things. Thrilling, completely thrilling. So, yeah. Like really it is. They're coming completely. Bro, I cannot define means how much good this is. This is really means as usual like every roller coaster, but you are just revolving completely. You are not flipping, you are just revolving with speed. Okay. Yes, oh, you should experience. Means these are the things cannot be defined, but this is one of the top things. You should come and explore it. What do you say, Karthik bro? What's your reaction?
It's really good. Amazing.
Amazing, right? Means you are going up to this. You are going and completely, bro, up to this level, you are just reaching, and you will be just like in the air, feeling.
And rotating.
And rotating also. Upon this, you are just rotating. Means this is extreme, completely extreme and mind blowing. I really loved it. Awesome.
Yes. They are under cartoon section.
That's cartoon junction.
What is this, bro?
Bro, can you please take out your phone?
Here, I think so.
So जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, next we'll go for Scooby Dooby Doo, and there is also, bro, something. So yes, let's go inside and have it. Look at it. So जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, हम लोग Scooby Dooby Doo कहाँ है तू?
Ton 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 ton.
मुझे तो डर ही लग रहा है. कार्तिक ब्रो?
Bro, you see this one?
Yes.
Here also, bro.
Yes.
Scooby Doo Doo.
Bro, remember that this is mysterious thing. Just wait. Wait. This one. जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, एक कोई भूतिया खंडर है. मुझे तो बहुत डर लग रहा है दोस्तों. कोई अब देखोगे कोई नॉर्मल चीज़ नहीं लगता है, थ्रिल है. Okay. Okay. We have something new. तो आप देख पा रहे हैं इधर पे something new. So we'll go inside and let's see. तो पहला चीज़ है आप देख पा रहे हो इधर पे. Hoping so that everything will be fine.
Jeepers, what a spooky museum.
It's my life's work, but sadly, I have to
जैसे
close
दोस्तों आप
it.
देख पा रहे हैं,
I never used to believe in ghosts or monsters, but something is scaring everyone away.
Don't worry,
Oh,
Professor.
bro.
We'll investigate this mystery.
Like, leave it to us!
दोस्तों जैसे आप
This
देख पा
room
रहे हैं
contains the mysteries of science.
it is quite good for fun.
There must be a clue in here. Maybe I can reconnect the power to help find it. Jinkies! I must have pulled the wrong wire. This ought to do it.
But why?
He wanted the museum's treasure all for himself.
So he like faked the exhibits being haunted.
Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut down the museum.
And I would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you meddling kids.
With Scooby Snacks. Scooby Dooby Doo.
So Scooby Dooby was quite cute.
Yeah.
It was cute, right?
Yeah.
It is not horrible at all.
Yes.
So yes, our review is
But children will come, na?
they will
And
enjoy. They enjoy completely.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. So let's go. जैसे कि देख पा रहे हैं इधर पे सब बच्चे लोग का थीम ही लग रहा है मुझे, मतलब 90s जो कार्टून्स थे उसका थीम बेस्ट एवरीथिंग और एक शॉपिंग बच्चे लोग हैं कार्तिक ब्रो So the whole experience was good quite. All the adventures are almost same only at the end, but we missed at the end of two things because of the timing.
Yeah, what to do?
What to do we cannot do. But yeah, the whole experience was quite good. The main things we almost explored.
Yes.
The biggest thing and the small things only we missed it, but it was okay, quite fine. And other things, there are lots of things are there. You need to separate down. Otherwise क्या होता है कि
Anyway, need one day.
या वन डे रिक्वायर्ड है और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है कि बच्चों लोगों का और मतलब फैमिली और थ्रिल जो है ये आपको सेपरेट कर देना, नहीं तो पहले क्या होता है आप अगर बच्चों लोगों का क्यू में चले जाओगे उधर में टाइम बहुत कंज्यूम हो जाता है। सो हम लोग एक जगह है जिधर पे 1.5 आवर अराउंड टाइम ख़त्म हो चुका है, मतलब वेस्ट हो गए थे। बट हाँ, सब कुछ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट इज़ क्वाइट गुड, वी एंजॉयड एट द एंड, एंजॉयमेंट मैटर्स, राइट? So bro, it was
Anything?
yeah. So it was successful quite.
Yeah.
And worthy also. मतलब जितना पैसा में जितना है पैसा वसूल टाइप आप बोल सकते हो. And good place. But thing is that you have to come early and अगर Friday हुआ तो Friday Saturday usually आप अगर आते हो तो morning is best time. हम लोग तरह अगर मतलब आफ्टरनून को स्टार्ट करोगे तो at the end of you cannot explore everything.
Yeah. Like
So-
our situation.
But no problem.
That's it for today, friends. Hope so you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for our future journey together.